Hello again, everyone, and welcome to another edition of The Power of Better. I'm Elbert Walters III, Executive Director of Powering Chicago. Here at The Power of Better, we bring innovative, cutting-edge technology and processes taking place within our industry. We come to you today from inside what is very much a work in progress. The Homewood Brewing Company, which when completed in the spring of 2024, will be a state-of-the-art gathering place and gym in the south suburbs of Chicago. The inspiration for this amazing project was crafted by the family of Juice WRLD, who wanted to honor the late rapper with this high-tech brewery and restaurant. As you will see, this project couldn't be executed without creative collaboration and focused construction efforts, including Powering Chicago electrical contractor Linear Electric of Orland Park. Driving down Dixie Highway in Homewood, you can't help but notice a new addition to this community landscape. Though not yet a finished product, when it is, this will be home to the new Homewood Brewing Company, a state-of-the-art brewery and restaurant, which is the vision of Carmela Wallace.
Well, the idea came when I was looking for investment property. And I saw what used to be an old brewery in Homewood. And I'm an entrepreneur, and it's just my personality anyway.
Aside from being an entrepreneur and businesswoman, Carmela is the mother of the late rapper Juice WRLD, who died nearly 4 years ago at 21. This brewery is the perfect way to honor him.
We moved specifically to Homewood so he could go to the high school. And even after he became famous, he always ran back to Homewood. You know, he always felt safe at home. So it just seemed like the right place to be.
To craft such an ambitious plan, Carmela had her son, Brian, assemble an all-star team that included master brewer Cam Horn, whose affinity for German-style brewing will be perfected by using motor control technology that will provide incredible consistency.
You know, when you come out to a brewery and you have your favorite beer, you want that beer to taste the exact same when you come back several months down the road. When you bring your friends back to have that experience that you had the first time you came out there. That technologically advanced brew system that we have is going to allow me to dial everything in to make sure that that customer gets exactly the same beer when they come in here next month, next year, and they bring their friends and their family in to share that fun experience that they had when they came in.
General contractor Crosstown Design Build coordinates the overall vision and scope.
We went through a lot of upfront design on where certain things had to go, where people wanted to be sat, the views that people saw coming out, actually even where the building was placed on the property. All of that came into play where we were able to get through it up front in that design process. And then executing it we were able to do that a lot easier because of how much time we spent up front.
And Powering Chicago electrical contractor Linear Electric of Orland Park, whose project manager, Henry Radovanovic, took us to the basement of this site to introduce what will eventually be the nerve center of the entire facility. One of his greatest tasks? Making sure the motor control center is effectively functioning.
So the motor control center comes from the brewing manufacturer and the equipment supplier. We're bringing power and we're bringing all those controls out to all their numerous pieces of equipment. That's pretty unique because most restaurants don't have something like that.
Linear Electric owner Bob Fimbianti is honored to work on a hospitality industry project of this scope and to illustrate the high-level craftsmanship his union electricians exhibit.
Our union electrical workers bring high technical skills that they've learned at our apprenticeship school in Alsip. They've had one of the finest upbringings that you could have in the electrical industry.
Linear Electric's hard work and expertise has been invaluable to Crosstown's project manager.
They've gone over and beyond when it comes to identifying issues that can come up in the field. On several occasions, we've worked hand in hand with the electrical engineers and with Linear on site to walk through the project, make sure the design intent is still being met, and identifying any kind of issues that may come up ahead of time rather than after it's built.
And once it's built, Carmela's vision will be truly recognized, a place that feels like home, tapping into service, quality, and joy.
I think it should give it a new life, a new era. This location used to be Bogart's, which was iconic. So hopefully this will be the new era of the iconic place in Homewood where people come and just have a good time.
Cheers to the Wallace family, Crosstown Design Build, and Linear Electric for their guidance and expertise. For more information about the Homewood Brewing Company and other industry innovations, like and subscribe to the Powering Chicago YouTube channel. I'm Elbert Walters III, and for everyone here at the Power of Better, thanks for watching, and we'll see you again next time.